Γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε σε ένα ακόμα επεισόδιο podcast. Είμαι η Emily.
And I'm Danae. Welcome to another episode of the Greek Language Experts podcast.
Here you'll be able to practice your listening and speaking skills.
Every podcast will start by telling you a few words about our dialogue.
And with that being said, in today's episode, we will look at some words that sound the same but have a completely different meaning.
In the dialogue, you will hear us talking in Greek using words that sound exactly the same but have a very different meaning and spelling.
You can check the transcript for the translation and practice with your friends and family. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Καλά, δεν θα πιστέψεις τι έγινε το Σάββατο.
Τι έγινε?
Πήγα την ανιψιά μου στις κούνιες και μου βγήκε πάλι ώμος.
Πώς έγινε αυτό?
Ούτε που κατάλαβα. Την έκανα κούνια και σε μια στιγμή ίσως έβαλα περισσότερη δύναμη και βγήκε
Πόνεσε πολύ?
Ό,τι και να πω είναι λίγο.
Το φαντάζομαι. Η ανιψιά σου τι έκανε?
Τρόμαξε η καημένη. Προσπάθησε να με βοηθήσει. Μου έλεγε «Έλα θεία, σήκω, σήκω» και ότι θα μου φτιάξει φρουτοσαλάτα με καρπούζι, σήκω και πεπόνι για να με παρηγορήσει.
Μα τι γλυκό παιδί! Τελικά πώς σηκώθηκες?
Ευτυχώς και ο αδερφός μου μαζί που είναι 2 μέτρα και με βοήθησε.
Τώρα όμως πονάς.
Πέρασε ο πολύς ο πόνος, αλλά θα το κρατήσω δεμένο για 1 εβδομάδα.
Περαστικά σου.
Σε ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Okay, let me get this straight. I felt like I kept listening to the same words, but in a different context.
You're right. In Greek, we have many words that sound exactly the same, but the meaning is something different.
So if I got them right, a couple of them are σήκω and ώμος.
Yes, σήκω with ita και omega means get up, but σήκω with y και omicron means fig. And the word ώμος with omicron and omega means but, and ώμος with omega first and omicron second is the shoulder. Did you hear any other words?
Maybe. What about the word ότι?
Correct. Ότι without a comma means that, but ότι with a comma between omicron and taf means whatever.
Interesting. And what are these words called in Greek?
In Greek, we call them ομόιχες λέξεις, meaning words with a similar sound. And there are many more than these ones.
Oh, makes sense. And it's very important because a lot of Greek learners might be confused by them. Can you please tell us a few more examples?
Of course. Klima with iota means climate. Klima with ita means grapevine. Τύχη with y is luck, and τύχη with omicron iota means walls.
Great! Now my brain is fried. Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. Well, that was all for today's episode. Till next time, check out our Instagram at GreekLink Experts or visit our website for our upcoming Greek classes.
Let us know what questions you have about the Greek language and what else you want us to discuss on this podcast. We can't wait to see you soon, and thank you for listening.